We're here in southeast Queensland on another creek. You can see the habitat that crawl down through here. There's root balls here, undercut as water goes back in underneath. There's rocks in through it. Really good habitat for these little cod that we're letting go today. We've got Mary River Cod and we're putting them back in to replace the Brisbane or the southeast Queensland cod. Just mixing some water with the water from the hatchery. So these fish are all purchased from commercial breeders. There's a few guys that are allowed to breed these endangered species. So we buy them, we're releasing them, and they'll take about yay long. They'll take 5, 8, 10 years to reach a mature size, and hopefully they'll start breeding on their own. So I'm gonna in about 35 sites today, so we've got teams all over the place in little creeks and all different sorts of waterways. We're not going to say where, but we've got to let this one go. We've got a few more to go and do. So we'll just let these guys go. And I can see in the water there's a log down there with some rocks, and the cod have gone straight in down to that, and they just tuck in right next to it. And they'll always keep their nose. There's a bit of current coming from that way, going that way. That's the upstream side. They'll always keep their nose into that upstream side. And over the next hour they'll settle in, then the next 24 hours they'll find themselves a little hole and they'll start feeding, and hopefully they'll when they get a bit bigger, they start knocking off some of these tilapia and pest fish, and I'll fatten up on them.